Hello everyone! In this video, we're going to explain what teachers can do in the Academy mobile application. Teachers can use the app to take attendance, log their working hours, or teach online classes. To get started, they just need to download the Academy app from the Apple Store or Play Store and log in using the same email and password they use for the web version. Once inside the app, they'll see their profile with their photo. If there are any new messages, a red moving envelope will appear on the right side of the profile picture. Then they'll see the online classes, if there are any, as well as ongoing classes, whether in person or online. When a class is in session, the Take Attendance button appears right away. This allows the teacher to quickly mark their own attendance and tap on the students who are present. It's important to note that for online classes, attendance is recorded automatically when students join the video call. However, for in-person classes, attendance must be taken manually. Let's say we want to take attendance for today's yoga class. Simply click on Attendance, on Create. We click on ourselves as a professor, and then just choose the students who are present. Once it's done, we close it, and that's it. If the teacher wants to edit attendance for a previous class, they just have to go into the class, tap on Attendance, and choose the date they want to make changes in, let's say 2nd of May, and let's imagine the teacher forgot to mark as present Judy and Regina. We click on them, close the attendance list, and that's it, the corrections have been made. There's also a notes feature they can use to leave public notes. For example, in today's class, they can leave public notes that can be seen by students or parents, or private notes that are only visible to teachers and administrators. Once you finish writing the notes, simply click on Send Notes, and that's it. Those notes can be viewed in the class information section. We go back. On the left side, there's a menu, the 3 lines you see on the top left corner, where teachers can access other options, like classes. Here they can see all their classes assigned. By tapping on the calendar icon on the right corner, they can view the full class schedule for the school and browse through the days. There's also the events section, where they can see upcoming and past events. They can also access the messages to see both send and receive messages. They can switch the language of the application if needed. And they can edit their profile details, like changing their password, email, phone number, or notification preferences. Now, if we go back to the overview section, to join an online class, as you'll see, when there are fewer than 10 minutes left before the start time, a Join Now button will appear. Click on Join Now, and they will prompt into choosing their web camera and microphone. Once you're finished with your selection, simply click on Enter, and here you need to choose whether to allow students with DEPs to join the online class or not. In this case, we will allow them. Then simply click on Start Class, and that's it. You can start your online class now. Very simple, right? Thank you!